Datix, a leading provider of enterprise software solutions such as Epicor, and Scribe, a leader in CRM integration. Together, help companies get real-time access to their customer data. Many companies recognize the importance of having good, integrated data, yet struggle with effectively connecting their ERP system with their CRM system. Scribe effectively integrates your dynamic CRM system with Epicor 9 to increase revenue, provide sales and marketing teams with important customer purchase and payment data to power more targeted and effective sales and marketing engagement, increase customer satisfaction, respond more effectively to customers by having relevant marketing, sales, and customer service data available in one place, reduce cost and increase speed, eliminate manual data entry in the customer purchase process, ensuring accuracy and shortening the quote-to-cash cycle. Let's see how easy it is to integrate Epicor 9 with your dynamic CRM system using Scribe. As we can see here, the seamless integration with Epicor, powered by Datix, allows customer master data to flow between both systems, removing the need for double data entry and reducing the risk of mistakes. The integration of customer master as well as product catalog data allows sales reps to take and submit orders within their preferred CRM system, while Scribe will automatically transfer that data to Epicor. This enables your sales team to be more effective and help drive a faster sales process and higher customer satisfaction. By automating processes like invoicing, you allow your sales and finance teams to focus on the job at hand rather than fielding inquiries as to where a customer stands. The complete view of the customer is available to all parties thanks to the real-time synchronization of data between CRM and Epicor. With the Datix Epicor 9 connector and Scribe, you can leverage integration to make your business process easier for your team, faster for your customers, and more reliable overall. Take a free trial today to see what the buzz is about.